How to get matches on Happn. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can get matches on the Happn app. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you log into your Happn account, you'll see profiles of all the people around your area on the Explore page. On the Happn app, the matches are called as crushes. For example, if you get a match, then it's called crush on Happn. So basically, the process of getting matches is the same as it is with other dating apps. For example, if you like a particular person and the person likes you back as well, then it's a crush or match. Let me show you with an example. As you can see, there is a profile of a girl on the screen. Now when I tap on this like icon at the bottom, I will have liked the profile. Now if she opens the app and likes my profile as well, then it will be a crush or basically a match. So that is basically how you get matches on the app. You can use various other features such as the premium, boost and other things in order to increase the chances of getting more matches. So that's how you get matches or crushes on Happn. That's it for the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.